290 baht lang siya. Sa iba mahal. 100 baht. Bon voyage. It's 1 PM at nandito na tayo ngayon sa Pha Bong Viewpoint. Going to have coffee, tea here later. But this is the view. You have green tea matcha. This is only 40 baht. Green tea, iced green tea with milk.